Today, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin quatix 7 series watch. First, we would recommend you fully charge the watch. Next, either unplug your watch or press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. Press the Start/Stop button to begin the setup process. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then, press the Start/Stop button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select Yes to begin. You will now need to download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Android smartphone, but this process is similar on an Apple iPhone or iPad. Open the Garmin Connect app once the download is complete. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. For customers that are already signed into Garmin Connect and are using an Apple device, press More on the bottom right to open Settings. Android customers will select the menu icon in the top left. Once in Settings, select Garmin Devices, followed by Add Device. Select Manage Permissions to allow Garmin Connect to access your location. Select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Select OK to link Garmin Connect with your quatix 7 series smartwatch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to enter in on the Garmin Connect app. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and phone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with a date and time. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. Your quatix 7 also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Using the up and down buttons, you can scroll through pages. Tap an option to select it. Swiping right will take you back. Covering the screen with your palm will return you to the watch face and disable the backlight. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. Press the Start/Stop button to get to your activity list. Scroll down and select Add to add activities to your favorites list. Scroll through the list and select the activities you want by pressing the Start/Stop button. Now, your customized activity list is complete. To open an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Press the Start/Stop button again to start and stop the activity. Finally, save your activity. And that's it. Your Garmin quatix 7 is now set up. To learn more about your quatix, please see our other videos or visit marinesupport.garmin.com.